Here is our little climber, Isaac. I'm sure this is so not safe, but I just had to get a video of it. Hi Isaac, what you doing? Uh-oh! Where'd the ball go? Gonna climb back down? Careful. Careful. How are you gonna get down now? I go backwards. Good job! Where'd the ball go? Good walking! Good walking! We're finally walking almost as much as we're crawling, aren't we? Should got that little ball for you. Is this what you're looking for? Whee! No, not that way. This way. There you go. Where'd the ball go? It's over here. It's over here. See it? Good walking. Keep walking. Yay, Isaac! Good job! Good walking. What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with it? Yeah.